Sup? So, today we're going to be making a Roblox game in 1 hour. Now, last time we did 2 hours, but 1 hour is a little bit more challenging, and it might be a little bit more cool. So, first, I want to get started with the idea. And this is not an original idea. No, yes it is. I'm going to be doing something like the floor is lava. You know, for example, we have our lava floor right here. That's a bad lava. Lava floor, alright. And then we've got some obstacles, like, well, not obstacles, like little pieces of furniture or whatever. This is supposed to be a bookshelf or like a desk, like that, you know, stuff that the player can get on to protect themselves. And here's the player. And hopefully there would be other players, but it's probably just gonna be me. So you know how it is. We got players and they're happy. This one's so scared. Ah! And then if you win, you get +1 point. And in the win shop, which I don't know if I'll be able to add, but I hope I will, you'll be able to buy tools to make it easier for you to survive, or maybe potentially sabotage the other players. So yeah, that's my plan. All right, so we're in the studio now, and let me turn on my timer. You know what? That's good enough. All right, you don't get to complain. So first, I want to start by making a lobby, and I'm actually just going to use the base plate. And then let's get started on the first map. We're going to make this the theme park base plate. And what we need first, this is the spawn point. And so this is basically going to be where players spawn when they're teleported to the map. Now, I think I'm just going to go right into here and start working on scripting. Going to go in here, and I'm going to call this the round system. So right off the bat, we're going to make a while loop. One value is going to be intermission length. That's going to be 60 seconds. And then one's going to be local game length. Then let's go here, set this up. So we're going to go starter GUI, game state. And then I always do anchor point. So this is a great way I love to do the UIs. So I'm going to do anchor point. I always use scale. I never use offset. Offset is the devil. And I like to do, let's go down to here. I'm going to do fonts. We shouldn't be doing this right now, like that. So now that we have the starter GUI, we're also going to have in here a value, and it's going to be a string value, and it's going to be called state. State value equals game.replicated storage.state. So that basically sets it to the value right here. Why did I just point at my screen? Oh, and we need to go here. We need to go game state is equal to, and then we go down here, and then I'm going to put a local script. So let's play this. So it does it a little bit wrong. So let me fix that. Yes, that is right. Local char is equal to v dot character. Yes. Thank you, AI. Thank you. Thank you, AI. Thank you. And then we're going to go into server storage. We're going to make folder. Never mind. Spawn point can always be out here. No, thank you, AI. Bad AI. Urgh. Game base plate. So we're not going to put a new base plate in every time. Player handling. So we're going to make game.players.player added, connect function, player, leader stats.name is equal to leader stats. Up here, this is something that's very important, very important. Local data store service, get data store. Thank you, AI, thank you, AI. Woohoo! Instance.new, what the fuck am I doing? Wins.name is equal to wins. Okay, perfect. Now, game.players.player added, player moving, connect func. No, we're gonna do this the correct way and use success and a P call. Perfect, yay! And that should be it for that. We're gonna close out of this. .players.player added, connect function. This is a bad way of doing it, I think, but it's okay. It's okay. This should work. Sometimes it's buggy, I think, but maybe I'm just an idiot. So that should work. Let's see if this works. What the heck? What the heck? Oh, API services, correct. This is freaking stupid. Value of nil cannot be It's good. So let's see. Yes, it is. Yes, it is, bro. That's so weird. I'm just going to say that AI wrote that. Don't look back in the clips. Don't look back. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay. We're here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. It killed me. Cool. If that. And then we also add v.wit.leader stats. So if game state equals game, let's debug this a little. We only set the freaking object. What the heck, Roblox? Empty code suggestion received? Don't know what that means. Yes! All right. So it was because of the stupid fricking... So much testing. Okay. So that's actually fully done. Let's say 25 minutes to work on maps. We're gonna do some trees. I don't even freaking care about building and keeping this game like sustainable and shit. Sorry guys. Then we also want an oak tree, some sort of weird apple tree. I don't even freaking know. Now we have a nice oak tree. Yay. Shit, we have 35 minutes. I've already spent like 5 minutes making this stupid trees. Okay, so let's decorate a bit. Boom, 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 boom. Then we want some sort of tower. So I'm gonna make a little tower out of metal. Might make it too easy, but it's okay. I don't even care, bro. And now the tower's done. And now this is really unfair. This is gonna be called the forest map, not the freaking theme park. Yeah, I do, but I'm gonna do it in a really funny way. I'm gonna make it grass. Grass. And it's this stupid ass grass texture. We're spending too much time on this map. Honestly, it's okay. If we only have, I'm aiming for 3 maps, okay? We're gonna go move down, kablamo. Then that's all good. That's the forest map that gets put into maps. Now we need to make a desert map. So I want some cacti. So this is a normal cactus. It's just, you know what, union all together. Then we're gonna make a tall cactus. Just a real simple, stupid cactus design. So some dumb cactuses like that. Then this one's gonna be called a big cactus. Well, but we also need to make sure to rotate some of these. Stop, why is it doing that? What the frick? All right, then what else is in it? What else is in it? Oh, we could add some sort of rock. It'll all come together when we add the desert floor. Oh, make a little platform reaction. And I'm too lazy, so I'm just gonna duplicate this. And there we go, got it first try. So I'm just gonna do a simple neighborhood. We need a road, or 2 actually. We call these sidewalk. Now let's design some houses, and the top's gonna be slate. Because it's slate, you know. It's slate. It's not gonna be good houses, they're gonna be bad houses. Bad houses. You always gotta make sure stuff is center, you know? Dude, what the fuck is this? Wait, house MD? What the hell? And for the middle, we're gonna have a big mansion. Hey, guess what? For the middle, we're gonna have a big mansion. Is that enough space for a big? Is that enough space for a big mansion in between? You know, this is a pretty oaky neighborhood, I'd say. Lots of oak. They like oak trees. Let's make these ones green, but a stupid green. Okay, these ones are gonna be blue, and a nice blue at that. So honestly, the skill ceiling for this game is the skill level is very easy. It's super freaking easy. Nice job. Thank you, kind sir. It is a nice job. Ah! Oh shit, we only have 17 minutes left. What the hell? We haven't even coated the lava. What the hell? And this is the greatest mansion I've ever seen. We're gonna have them make their way up by jumping. These dirty dogs have been coddled too long. They need to parkour their way up the mansion. Check out Hardcore Hiking, by the way. Shameless plug. Check out Hardcore Hiking under the Brick Part Studios community group. Really good game. No one's ever played it ever. Yeah, I know. Pretty insane. Really difficult parkour, honestly. Okay. Honestly, not a bad map. Honestly, not too bad of a map. Is that right? Yeah. Neighborhood. Actually, before we add lava, I'm gonna add it so that the maps load. Check this out. Clone wait for child maps. Because I'm doing this now for some reason, doesn't matter. Doesn't. Get that out of here. Get it out. Actually, that's exactly what I needed. Thank you, AI. Thank you, AI. Thank you, AI. Woohoo. Oh, wait. The mansion's gonna mess things up, actually. So the spawn point, a good spawn point would be right here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Perfect. Now, we need to do, let's set this to 30 and this to 60. We need to make a lava, bro. I'm way too freaking lazy. Actually, no, I'm not way too freaking lazy. It will be neon, and the color will be that. Script to this called kill. No, shut that. What? Part of what? What the hell? Local tween service. Oh, we only have 10 minutes. Easing style, enum.easingstyle.linear. I don't even know if that's the 100, 200. Let's see what that looks like. If we go lava, transparency 0, then we set this to 100. Well, we have to put each of these in and make sure they're possible. So desert isn't possible, so we gotta go 80 lava tween, and then we do lava tween.play. Now we test out the game. Wait, hold on. Let's do some last checks. This is the last test here. I'm really nervous. All right. We only have a bit of time left. And honestly, I think we've made really good work of our time. Whatever. What am I trying to say, bro? Okay. This might go up way too fast. Oh, lava's not, shit. The lava's not, anchored. The lava's growing. And it's working just fine. And let's say we jump on it. Okay, and we die. And I have no clue why we teleport like that. That's that. And I guess we can spruce up this a little bit better. So we have 5 minutes. So yeah, I think I can afford to do that. And then I'm gonna do glass. Honestly, everything. Just cast shadow off. Get off my screen. We can add some music. Let's add some music. Wait, do I have a tool? Do I have a model for this? Jazzy stuff, nostalgia. Let's go, Evil Blister. Yes. Good music. Evil Blister's my alt account. Made a little game on that. But it has, whatever, 7 songs. They're all good nostalgia songs. And why not add the old Roblox guy too? Just for coolness. Now, I guess we just wait with 1 minute to spare. So I'm changing the title of the video. The whole topic of the video is completely changing. It's gonna be, I made a game in 59 seconds. I mean, 59 minutes, you know that? All right, so we're officially done with the game. I'll see you in the testing side. All right, so you can see the data stores are working and the time's back to normal, and it actually doesn't look that bad. You know, it's not a finished game at all. It doesn't look like one, but for 15 minutes, I could see it being appropriate. And it goes into here, and this is good. And honestly, this is a little stupid, but these maps are just like ideas. So we're gonna play through all 3 maps, hopefully, if we can get them. Whoops, looks like that's a little bug I made. But I mean, it doesn't detract from the gameplay at all. But hopefully, I'm pretty sure it should stop right below this. Oh, yes. All right, it stopped right below with 10 seconds to spare. That means I get a win. At some point, I could also add like a PvP mode so you kill people. And so far, I think this is a pretty good game for 1 hour. I was really happy with the speed at which I came up with which I made the round system and everything. I haven't really developed a game in half a year, so for a new project, it's pretty good. This map's pretty cool. I honestly like it a lot. It's really simple and really dumb because there's only one place to survive, and the trees do add to the environment, and it looks like a genuine place. If you really made some okay maps and made it a bit more entertaining, added some game passes, and made the lobby look cool, this could be a fully fleshed out game. So for that reason, I'm also gonna unlist I'm going to, what's it called? I'm gonna make it so you guys can edit it, so you guys can look the code, copy it, put it in your own games. I literally don't freaking care. Uncopy locked. I'm gonna uncopy lock the game so you guys can play it and also use it in Roblox Studio. Let's hope we get the neighborhood. Or honestly, I'll just skip until the neighborhood. Skip until the neighborhood. Boop. Oh, wait, bad flick. Guys, I legit don't even know if this frickin' works. It's been forced 3 times in a row, bro. Yo. So I'm gonna try one more time, and if it doesn't work, then I'm out of here, bro. Okay, let's see. All right. All right. Well, if you enjoyed the video and you're really proud of me and it was super awesome, then make sure to like and subscribe and share the video and mess around with the game. Make your own game and send it to me. I don't know how. Figure out a way, bro. Figure out a way. Yeah. Make sure to interact. Do your dang deed. Help the channel out. Thank you.